How to turn off age restriction on X or Twitter. So if you're seeing an error that says you can't view content due to local restrictions, so first you'll need to click on your profile logo and then go to your profile and then click on edit profile. Now you want to scroll to your birthday and click on it. Then you'll need to make sure to set a birthday at least 18 years old or over 18. Then you want to press continue. Then you want to press save and confirm. Now go back to your profile and click on the logo again. Now you want to go to settings and support and then settings and privacy. And next, if you have a premium subscription to Twitter or X, then you want to click on security and account access and then click on security. And in here you should find the ID verification tab where you can proceed to submit your documents to verify your account and your age. Now this is only available for premium subscribers. So if you don't have a subscription on Twitter or X, you should subscribe. Click on subscribe to premium and make sure the subscription offers optional ID verification. So you can scroll over to the second subscription, which is this one right here, and it costs $8 or starts at $8, which offers optional ID verification, as you can see right here with the green check mark. So make sure you get that before you'll be able to basically submit your documents or your government issued ID document to confirm your identity and basically unlock the restricted content. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.